Men jeg var blevet fejlbooket til den her festival. Og normalt har jeg jo, altså ofte har jeg jo mit orkester med, men det var også en solokoncert med min guitar og mig. Og da jeg kommer frem, viser det sig, at det er en heavy metal festival. Jeg kunne rigtig godt tænke mig at prøve at genskabe det her meget, meget pinlige øjeblik, da jeg stiller op på den her kæmpe store scene foran flere tusind langhårede, sorthårede mænd med sort makeup. Så hvis I gider at forestille jer, at I alle sammen har langt sort hår og makeup, så vil det være meget dejligt.
Du skal også headbang.
Det er ligesom valgt, min approach til den her festival var altså ligesom at sige, okay, nu prøver jeg at tage den til stregen. Så jeg startede med at spille det sødeste nummer, jeg nogensinde har spillet. Så det er så til det, der kommer nu. Sometimes when I let myself drift into daydreams, they're about you. Somehow, when I touch your skin, my heart begins to do things. How about you? And the strangest thing about it is, I'm scared to blink in case I miss you and your beautiful ways. Somewhere in between the now and the beginning, who cares when? I love you. Drawing every kiss as if it were the last one we'll ever get. Oh, we are riding on a bicycle that will last a lifetime. Who will get? And the strangest thing about it, I'm scared to blink in case I miss you and your beautiful ways. I love you. I love you. Will go out and buy you a motherfucking plastic. In mine, and your eyes, they are all black, even though you're a guy, and they are shimmering. I love you. I love you. Some of those that work for us are the same that burn crosses, yeah. Killing in the name of. Some of those that work for us they are the same that burn crosses, yeah. We're all killing in the name of those who died are justified for